So, we're back in the game. I'm still not any better, feel like shit. But we're rolling. Money to be made, work to be done. So, yesterday, we left it at the point where all of these apertures are now pretty much ready to be cleaned up and cut to size. But then I remembered the underside needs quite a lot of attention as well. So I think we're going to get it flipped over, and I think we're going to try and make some progress on the underside and find out what's wrong on there as well. So we're going to do that. But for a moment, let's take a minute to enjoy this, because this is one of the favourite things about my workshop. And I love being up here for this reason. Yeah, I appreciate that. It's nice. Anyway, back to the task at hand. Volvo. Excuse me. So yeah, we'll get it flipped over and see what the crack is. Peace out, motherfuckers. Right, so here it is on its side. Rolled it over on the jig. Yeah, so I thought the best idea was maybe we try and concentrate on areas like this. Could do with fixing that first, really, and then see if we can't rescue this, because this is looking shocking. Bits of wire everywhere. Yeah, never mind. We'll try and do something about that. And then we're going to try and clean up probably all along here. Let's see if we can't hit that with some rust converter and try and rescue it. But things like that aren't looking good. But we'll see what happens, I guess. Right, we'll get on with that. So we're cracking on with the cleanup. And we've hit it all up with some rust converter. Some of the areas like this. And to be fair, it's actually scrubbed up really nice. To say it was like that, like this, and it's now looking like that. But it can't be bad. So now we've just got to get that everywhere, which is going to take some time. So we're just going to crack on with that and see what happens. We've just had this come in as well. Let's quickly show you what this is in for. So obviously this bed doesn't belong to this truck. So the customer's asked if I can cut these off, move them along there. Seems like it's dropping, look. So I might have to cut some new ones, but we'll see if we can't rescue those plates. So basically just cut them off, bolt them on there. Get cracking on with that at some point as well. But for now, we're going to start cleaning. We've got a lot of cleaning to do. Peace out, motherfuckers.